Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, we are rounding off season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu, and we know ukuthi when it comes to an end, the family does some sort of family trip, you guys. We see uMaNgwabe saying ukuthi this is my last family trip with the Mseleku family, you guys. Now at this point, guys, because the way things are going on the show at this point, it could be uMaNgwabe saying ukuthi this is our last trip with the Mseleku family, as in she's leaving the family. Or number two, she's going to decide to be uMacele, where she's going to decide to no longer attend these family trips anymore, and not that she's exiting the family. Sizozangaye, guys. We will wait and see. But anyway, Usne, we see a seal. Usne, guys, here. She is there pressing her phone. That time she's not even smiling. She's like, I'm funu kulumisa muntu. She doesn't want to talk to anyone. uMaNgwabe says this is the first time sibonana naye since she went and spoke about us. We podcast. Now Usne, guys, it is kind of a sad situation because uMacele doesn't want to go to this family trip. So now Usne is forced to go to a family trip where other siblings might have not wanted to go, but at least the other siblings have an excuse with my business calling. Usne agana excuse, she's there by fire by force. But I'm just like, guys, Usne when drama, I don't wanna lie, guys. Why is she acting as if Yana, she's one of the wives? She's coming there with unnecessary drama, saying what she doesn't want to talk about anyone. She was wrong for going to speak about Omawake on a podcast, and yet she's sitting there like no one must worry her or whatever the case may be. I am curious though. I want Umbali Benotobile to address this matter. Umatale said it very well, Izolo, guys. She said to Usne, those are not your wives. Those are your father's wives, so you need to respect them as your father's wives. But at this point, Aibo, guys, genaya role. Angazi Usne ukuthi like what's going on in her head. And I'm not going to take Sne's side this time, because Usne will always say she'll say she doesn't like the family, she doesn't like the siblings, she doesn't like the wives, she doesn't her father. Hi Sne, come on. But anyway, I really hope uMaNgwabe no Makhumalo are going to address it. But knowing them, this season, guys, ngati abana strength so address nothing. uMaNgwabe this time, since she said hamba, maybe she doesn't even feel a need. But I really hope they address it, and I really hope Musa addresses it in front of Usne and the other wives to tell Usne which she needs to stop doing that. Like it really is getting out of hand, and isikalo sungungibhora nje ukuthi Usne yini ayibangayo namakhosikazi awamseleku. Anyway guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.